Hey guys, I'm Trade Runner with Trading Analytics, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite meme stocks, CPI Data, as well as an upcoming IPO. But before we get to that, hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell if you enjoy this type of content. It really helps the channel out. Let's get to it. Now, one of my favorite stocks from the last year has been Bed Bath & Beyond, and this ticker has been trending in the news again for a very good reason. Since last week, the stock has shot up over 67%, and there's a lot of retail buzz around this ticker that could potentially drive it even higher. In fact, it's trending number 2 on StockTwits. It's trending on Twitter. You also see it on Reddit boards as well, so a lot of retail investors are buzzing about it. In fact, even on our Discord server, we alerted Bbby calls it $7 strike price, and since we alerted them, those calls have been up over 200%, with the potential to gain even more. Link to the Discord will be in the description of this video as well as in our channel bio, so check that out. Now, looking at the Ortex data for Bbby, you'll see that the short interest is 48.6%. So it also has a 5.16 million shares that are being borrowed. So if you're in retail investing, those numbers should intrigue you, because that means there's a lot of shorts on this company. And what do retail investors love more than anything? Potential short squeezes. And Bbby, if you guys remember, squeezed last year over 1,000% upon its merger with Kroger, and those type of returns are potentially what we may see again. And it's very exciting. Now, heading into CPI data. So CPI data was released on Wednesday, and it was actually lower than expected. It was actually 8.5% versus what was projected at 8.7. So a lot of retail investors, or a lot of investors in general, are seeing positive news with that, especially considering last month was 9.1%. Now, what that means is it's reflected in the total market. So a lot of funds track the total market. One of my favorites is the SPY index, or ETF. Now, since we alerted our SPY calls in our Discord as a complete lotto pending CPI data, it shot up over 200% as well. So a lot of our members in our Discord server are very happy with that. But as a whole, consumers are happy because that means that the market is seeing a little bit of a rebound in response to the inflation data coming out. So that's something to be excited about going forward, and hopefully we can get it even lower, because recently it's been a little rough out here for our consumers. But the final thing I wanted to mention to you guys in this video is actually an upcoming IPO. So as you guys know, MEGL IPO'd last week. There was a lot of volatility around it, shot up to crazy highs and dropped down. HKD was a crazy IPO as well. But this one is one that's very interesting as well. It's FRZA, Forza X1. Now, this is a company that specifically designs and manufactures EV or electric boats for sale to the everyday consumer who want to get into boating without the outrageous costs that come involved with owning a boat, right? So it's very exciting because whenever a new company IPOs, especially one in the EV market, people have eyes all on it. In fact, we had this on our watch list in our Discord since last week as well, with the potential that this may explode just like MEGL or HKD did. No guarantees with IPOs because they're super volatile, but something to keep an eye on. Now, additionally, guys, with IPOs, you want to make sure that if you get in pre-IPO, which FRZA is expected to pre-IPO at $5 per share, if you get in pre-IPO, you are going to be subject to the IPO lockup period, meaning that you cannot sell those shares for a specified period of time. And in the case of FRZA, you will have to hold for 180 days or 6 months for those of you who don't want to do the math. But that means if you get in pre-IPO, you can't sell it for the 6-month period. But if you get in post-IPO and get in on whatever the actual market value of that stock is, you can buy and sell whenever you want to. Okay, so I just wanted to explain that to you guys as well. But that's it. Just want to do a quick overview video here. I've been Trade Runner. Link to our Discord will be in the description of this video as well as in our channel bio. Thanks for watching.